What's going on, everyone? Jay from MTX Audio, and today we are going to be unboxing our brand new Terminator TN250.1. Now, this amplifier can be found on our website, MTX.com, or on any of our authorized dealer online or in-store platform. So let's go ahead, let's open this up, check it out. But before we do, let me just give you a quick rundown what the box looks like. Here's some quick specifications. Cool, let's get on into it. All right, as soon as you open it up, you will be greeted with a birth certificate. So everyone who's seen one of these knows these are a tested rated setting for your amplifier, or what we like to call, birth certificate, dyno certificate, basically what the amplifier is capable of doing. We will also have a cable for your bass control knob. So here's the EBC bass control knob. Now this knob will be in two parts. If you wanted to surface mount the knob, it'll already have some double stick. Or if you wanted to physically screw it down, you would just insert it and screw it down. It'll have a phone-based connection. I believe it's RJ9. So those of you who are used to the phone style connector bass control knobs, there you go. And it'll have our MTX logo on it. Okay, and then here is the cable. Ta-da! Other side to the amplifier. Okay, so here's the amplifier, but it looks like there's some more stuff in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the amplifier off to the side for now. You will also have a Allen wrench for your power terminals, another Allen key for your speaker and remote terminal, and you will have 6 screws, 4 will to mount the amplifier, and 2 smaller ones if you want to mount the EBC bass control knob. You also will have, that's right, MTX sticker. And our one and all instruction manual. And this instruction manual will have basically our full TN lineup. So if you want to know more about the other amplifiers in the lineup, let's say you're trying to add more amplifiers, you can just look in your manual and information's right here at the palm of your hand. So let's move this over. Just open this up. All right, here we go. So this amplifier is 150 watts RMS at 4 ohm and 250 watts RMS at 2 ohm mono for subwoofer. Very small, Class D circuit design, gives you a smaller footprint. Okay, so to start off with, your power and ground terminals are going to be 4 gauge. Your remote turn on and in your speaker terminals are going to be 16 gauge. If we flip around to the other side, you will have your EBC bass control knob connector, your power protect light, where in normal operation the light should be blue. If the amplifier is sensing something abnormal, the protection light will then illuminate red. You will have your bass boost, which will be from 0 to 12 dB adjustment. You will have your frequency adjustment from your subsonic from 10 Hertz to 55 Hertz, and your actual frequency cutoff from 50 Hertz to 150 Hertz cutoff. You will have your phase, so if you want to go from front phase to rear phase or out to in, and your gain adjustment, and lastly your RCA left and right input. If you're interested to see what this amplifier can actually output, check us out on YouTube. We actually have a full dyno hooked up to this amplifier so that we can see pretty much what this amplifier is really capable of. So if you got some free time, check it out. And that pretty much is what is included in the box. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, you want to remember, sound is a place, and we here at MTX want to take you there. Appreciate your time. Thanks a lot.